Namaste from India. Water is life. Access to water is a human right. But unfortunately, millions of poor in India do not have access to this basic need in their daily lives. The rural communities, especially the women and children, are struggling so much in their daily life as they are walking long distance to fetch the water to meet their domestic needs. Carrying pot loads of water on heads and shoulders by the women and children, walking long distance, making trip after trip, spending hours of time, morning and evening, is a common scene in the lives of rural communities in India. Contamination of water is another big issue which is causing multiple health problems. This situation indicates the importance of better access to water for the communities in India. It is very touching for the Indian communities when they heard that the children in Canada are participating in Walk for Water event as their sign of solidarity to the Indian communities to have better access to water facilities. The involvement of school children in these events is a great inspiration to the Indian communities. With this inspiration, a lot of villages are coming forward to organize similar events in their own communities. To maximize the impact of these events in the villages, Bala Vikasa is motivating and mobilizing the school children, the teachers, the parents committees, the youth associations, the women, and total communities in different villages. We are expecting to have a participation of approximately 15,000 people from more than 25 communities in Warangal district of Andhra Pradesh, India. Through these events, we are aiming at creating better awareness among the children and the community on the importance of conserving water sources so that the current generation and the future generations will have better access to water sources. We are also creating awareness on the importance of consuming safe drinking water to protect their health. We are very happy the Walk for Water, a sign of solidarity between India and Canada, is creating not only awareness among the local masses on the importance of water, but it is also able to raise funds to support water projects in India. Bala Vikasa and the local communities, we take this opportunity to thank all the Canadians, especially SOPAR, for organizing this event, and the school children showing their generous gesture of generosity and solidarity to the communities through this Walk for Water and uniting India and Canada for water. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Vandanalu.